Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on your Android phone, so you can get back online quickly. Many people get stuck when their mobile data won't turn on, even though Wi-Fi works fine. This can happen after a software update, SIM card issue, or wrong settings. Let's fix it step by step. AKA Method 1. Toggle Airplane Mode. Swipe down from the top of your screen and turn on Airplane Mode. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection. And AKA Method 2. Restart your phone. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches and restore mobile data. AKA Method 3. Check mobile data settings. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Mobile Network. Make sure mobile data is enabled and also check that preferred network type is set to 4G or 5G. AKA Method 4. Reinsert or replace SIM card. Turn off your phone, remove the SIM card, and put it back in securely. If the SIM is damaged, contact your carrier for a replacement. AKA Method 5. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, then Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This will restore default network settings and often fixes data issues. Important notes. Make sure your data plan is active and you haven't used up your allowance. Check for carrier outages in your area. If nothing works, contact your mobile carrier for support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Android tips and fixes.